Bosha wee wee, what is good, guys? It is your boy SoTeeko, and we are back on the block. Today we have a brand new tier list for you, but real quick, I do want to give a huge shout out to Closed on Sunday, as we use his music in almost every single Star Wars video because I love it. I love the vibes, I love the energy, and I love that it's Star Wars based lo-fi that he lets us use in our monetized videos. So I want to do a huge favor to him, give him a shout out, because I gotta be honest, the dude is very fun. He just put out a new type of video, cooking up a beat live. Watched the whole thing, it was sick. And he drops new music every month, and he updates the playlist that is on the Star Wars lo-fi live stream. And everyone has been asking me, where do I get my music from? It's always in my description, and it's always Closed on Sunday. So with that being said, and without further ado, let's get right into this tier list. We've got 100 canon Star Wars characters that we're going to be putting into a tier list. Saga defining, awesome, brilliant, cool, dud, filler, or meme/Z. And those are characters that are bottom tier, bottom of the barrel, that I'm just not a fan of in the slightest. So I'm gonna put this tier list into the description. Do it yourself, share it in my Discord, and let the discussion roll on. So let's get started. It is in alphabetical order, I want to say, and there are a few characters whose names I'm not exactly familiar with, but we'll do our best. We'll do our best. Starting off with number 1, we have Aayla Secura. I think she's cool. I think she's cool. I have fond memories playing as her in the original Star Wars Battlefront 2 game. Very cool character, very cool level on Felucia, and you like to see it. Then we have Ahsoka Tano. Ahsoka Tano, she could... We're going to put her in awesome, but she could very well be saga defining or brilliant. We're going to put her in awesome for that reason. Then we have Admiral Holdo. Filler. Anakin Skywalker, saga defining. Asajj Ventress, I think, is a brilliant character. I've been reading Dooku Jedi Lost, and she is very fun. She's very fun. This is a tricky one here. I'm gonna go with dud. Obviously, she is in The Phantom Menace. She's in Clone Wars. I wish she had a little bit more edge to her character. A little bit more edge. And I'm forgetting her name. That's why I can't put her in cool, because I'm forgetting her name. I know it starts with an A, but I'm forgetting her name. I really have to go on to Gwigo, go to collection. I don't even have her. That's like, she is a dud. Orasing's the character, which, what are you gonna do? You know, she's a dud. But we then have Babu Frick. He's a meme character. We like Babu Frick. He's maybe the one meme character that we like, but He's a meme character. Then we have Grogu. I don't like Grogu. I think he's a meme character and bottom of the barrel meme character. Let's do that. Let's do justice, because Babu Frick was necessary for the story, right? They needed to crack into C-3PO. Grogu's not necessary for anything. Barriss Offee. I'm gonna go with Brilliant. The reason why I have Barriss Offee and Brilliant is because she was right. Did she go about things the wrong way, pinning things on Ahsoka? Sure. But she was right. All the things that she said about the Republic, about the Jedi, about how the Jedi are slaves to the Republic, she was right. She was right. The B-1 battle clones, I call them clones because Attack of the Clones. The B-1 battle droids, Clank Sinatra, B-1 battle clones. I'll go with Dud. I'll go with Dud. They do the job, and they're fun enough. Baze Malgus. I'll go with... Go with cool. High, low end of cool. Low end of cool. BB-8. I will go with cool. Bib Fortuna. It's a good representation of a character. I'll go cool. Boba Fett. I mean, Boba Fett has to be top end of cool, right? Has to be top end of cool. Bodhi Rook. Call it cool. Boss Nass. Call him cool. Bosk. I like the character Bosk. Bosk is pretty cool. C-3PO. I'll put him brilliant. I think C-3PO is a pretty brilliant character. Cad Bane. Cad Bane's pretty cool. Captain Phasma. I'm gonna go with Dud because sick concept, terrible execution. Rex. I'll go bottom end of brilliant for Rex. Cara Dune. I'll go top end of brilliant. Cara Dune, I think, is such a cool type of character that, and this is what sucks about not having Cara Dune in Star Wars anymore, man. This is what sucks, is because she had maybe one in the first 2 seasons of Mandalorian. She probably had one of the more developed characters, and then all of the sudden she's just gone, and it sucked. So shout out to Gina Carano. Cassian Andor. Hot take? I'm gonna put him there. I'm gonna say Cassian Andor is saga defining. I'm gonna put him there. Palpatine, saga defining. Chewbacca. Chewbacca's cool. Chewbacca's cool. Chirrut Imwe. He's cool. Chopper. I think Chopper is awesome. Commander Cody. With the Bad Batch. I'll say Cody's cool. Say Cody's cool. Count Dooku is awesome. Maul. Say Maul's awesome. Vader. Saga defining. Orson Krennic, I'll say is awesome. Just characters, I think his name is DJ. He was cool. I liked the idea of it. We had this discussion on the podcast. Just not the funnest character, you know? Not the funnest character. Pretty predictable character, but we made it work. Echo, brilliant. Embo's cool. Darth Sidious, the rise. Darth Sidious the old. Darth Sidious the cool. You know, Sidious, I would say, is a dud. Palpatine, I would say, is saga defining. Sidious, I would say, is a dud. The reason being is because he, in a 4-year window, he went from emperor to dead, and his empire was gone. In a 4-year window, his empire lasted all of 20 years, all of 23, 24 years, and he put an extinction to the Sith. You know, him, not Palpatine, Sidious. So Sidious, I can't give that much plaudit. I can't give that much plaudit to Sidious. Enfys Nest, I'll do dud. Cool concept, bad execution. Ezra Bridger, I'll say brilliant. I think Ezra's pretty cool, pretty well developed. Even keel, bottom end of cool. Finn, top end of dud. If you show me the Force Awakens Finn, I would say he's brilliant, but because of the other 2 movies, they killed his character, so he's a dud. Is this Heavy? Awesome. Garazeb Aurelios, I think is cool. General Grievous, I'll say is brilliant. General Hux, dud. General Pride, filler. Gonk, meme. Thrawn from Rebels, but we're gonna put all of Thrawn together. Thrawn, I will say, is awesome. Tarkin, I will say, is awesome. Greedo, I will say, is filler. Grief Karga, I will say, is a brilliant character. Han Solo is an awesome character. Harrison Dula, this is a tricky one. Harrison Dula is a cool character that is accidentally brilliant. Hondo Onaka is a meme. IG-11 is a cool character. Jabba, I'll say, is brilliant. Jango Fett, brilliant. Lando Calrissian's daughter, I will say is cool. Jar Jar Binks, I will say is brilliant. Reason being, he was instrumental in fighting back against the Trade Federation. He helped the Jedi escape to Naboo, warned the Naboo. He then led the Grand Army against the Trade Federation's army. They defeated them due to technical surrender. But Jar Jar was great. I love Jar Jar. Jyn Erso, brilliant. K2SO, brilliant. An empirical droid, rewired, reprogrammed to work for the rebellion's hilarious. Kanan Jarrus, awesome. Ki-Adi-Mundi, brilliant character. 7 wives, a lot of kids. Elder statesman of the Jedi. Kit Fisto, I think is a brilliant character. Queel, I want to say is a brilliant character. Kylo Ren, saga defining, and it's not even close. L337, I'm gonna say is filler. Lando Calrissian, I'll say is cool. Luke Skywalker is saga defining. Luminara and Dully. Luminara and Dully is a cool character. Mace Windu. I'll say Mace Windu is a brilliant character. Din Djarin is a cool character. Maz Kanata is a cool character. Mother Talzin is a brilliant character. Nyai Nub, it's tough to call him filler. It's tough to call him cool. I'll put him middle of dud. Newt Gunray, so he's a cool character. Obi-Wan Kenobi is saga defining, as is Ben Kenobi. Old Man Han is filler. I'll say is dud. I can't call Han Solo filler. Luke Skywalker, dud. Lando Calrissian, filler. Leia, dud. Padme Amidala is saga defining. Plo Koon is a brilliant character. Poe Dameron is a brilliant character. Pong Krell is a brilliant character. Princess Leia is an awesome character. Kira is a brilliant character. Qui-Gon Jinn is saga defining. R2-D2 is a brilliant character. The Rancor is brilliant. Rey Skywalker is saga defining. Homeboy that was driving the pilot, you gotta call it. You gotta call it what it is. It's filler. He was cool. Didn't mind him. AlsoTeeko, bottom of filler. Sabine Wren. Sabine's a cool character. I like her a lot more now, but she's still cool. Salacious B. Crumb, bottom of dud. Duchess Satine, I'll say, is a brilliant character. Savage Opress is a definition of a cool character. Shmi Skywalker, saga defining. Supreme Leader Snoke, dud. Stormtroopers, definition of filler. Woody Harrelson, I thought was a cool character. His missus, filler. The Wampa, brilliant. Watto, we have so many characters still to go. I'm gonna try and speedrun this. Watto, cool character. Wicket, brilliant. Yoda, bottom of brilliant. Jango Fett as a kid, I thought was brilliant. Han Solo is awesome, goes with Han Solo. Lando Calrissian's cool, goes with Lando. Zero the Hutt kind of felt like filler to me. Zori Bliss was cool. Homeboy from Rebels was cool. BB-8, not BB-8, BD-1. I always mix it up. BD-1 I felt was brilliant. Bo-Katan, she's cool. Cal Kestis, I would say, is getting close to saga defining. I'm gonna put him in awesome though. Seer Junda, I'm gonna call her filler. She doesn't do too much. Grease is cool. Iden Versio, brilliant. Marin, awesome. Is this Previsla? He's cool, really cool. Filler. Saw Gerrera, I'm gonna say is a dud. I felt like Saw Gerrera could have been used a lot cooler. Same with the Grand Inquisitor. Trilla, absolutely brilliant. Admiral Akbar, I'm sorry. Bail Organa, I'm sorry. I know Uncle Owen's here too. I'm sorry. He's pretty cool. His name's slipping my mind right now, but it's on the tip of my tongue. Malik's really cool. Nihilus, I don't know too much about yet. I haven't played KOTOR 2 yet, but I'll say he's cool. He's got a sick appearance. Revan, saga defining. I've never been a fan of Dengar. Dexter Jetster, I feel like is a meme. Poggle the Lesser, he's cool. Quinlan Voss is cool. Wat Tambor is cool. Wedge Antilles is very cool. I'm gonna say she's a dud. I feel like she's a bit flat. The Frog Lady, filler. Bill Burr's character I think was cool towards the end. Moff Gideon, dud. They just need to let the brother die. She's filler. Shakti is very cool. Bendu, Bendu's a cool concept, I guess. Junta. I've never understood what Junta's little special ability is, but I think all the Bad Batch are really cool. I think the Bad Batch are all really cool. Crosshair's brilliant, though. So he gets one notch above. Star Thrilla. I would say saga defining. Black Chrysanthemum is very cool. Riva. Meme. Bad character, bad portrayal. Bad writing. It's not her fault. This lady, Olive Kenobi, I'm gonna say was just fillered. Luthen Rail, saga defining. Mon Mothma, saga defining. General General Varn, I think is brilliant. Don't know who this is. Can't really see. I'm gonna put them in filler because of it. Proxy I felt was pretty cool. Dr. Aphra I think is very, very, very cool. Bastila Shan I think is a awesome character. Scion and Treya. I'm gonna say is brilliant. Scion, I'm not gonna lie, he's kind of a dud. Malgussi, brilliant. This guy's actually an awesome character. I enjoy him. Enjoy her. She's cool. I think she's oh God. Don't want to say overacting, but all of the cast of it's tough. She's better after Aldani. After Aldani, she's much better. Kino Loy, so awesome. Hate her. This guy's cool. Dr. Kershing. Paz Vizsla is I gotta say a dud. The Armor, huge dud. Balin Skull is awesome. Shin Hatsi is brilliant. Morgan Elsbeth is a dud. That is my 100 plus Star Wars character tier list. I'm gonna put it in my Discord so you can have a look-ski manooski. But let me know where your guys's characters are lying, what they're looking like, and how it's going. Appreciate you all for checking out the video. Peace, love, and life. Deuces, manuses, and may the force be with you always.